So finally the time has come and my Kinesis Advantage 360 Signature Edition has arrived. I opened the shipping box because of my address, don't want to dox myself. And this is the actual product packaging. 360. Yeah, the 360 here, proudly designed and hand built in the USA. USA! Advantage 360. Okay. Wow. Damn. Quick start guide. Okay. Okay. Charge from your PC only. Good to know. Although I wonder why. Keep away from small children. Don't have to worry about that. Alright. 1, 2. We have the 2 islands. Guessing accessories here, yeah, as indicated. Alright. Charging cable, yeah. USB-C, USB-A. Same. Backup. Bridge connector that goes in between, that's optional. And USB cable adapter A to C. Oh, okay. This is great, and there are 2 even. Amazing. For both. And this is for popping keys. Okay, very nice. Okay, does the packaging contain anything else? Setup tips? No. Okay. Let's unpack the bubble wrap here. Ooh. The smell of new. Next clip.